The Surpeer Infrared Thermometer H covers an exceptionally wide temperature span from deep freezing conditions to extreme industrial heat, making it versatile for everything from home cooking to metalworking. Its high distance to spot ratio allows you to stand safely back while still getting a focused reading on very hot or hard to reach surfaces like pizza ovens, kilns, or engine components. Measurements are reliably consistent with accuracy suitable for serious hobbyists and professional users who need trustworthy readings rather than rough estimates. The control layout is straightforward, with simple aiming, a guiding laser, and quick trigger response that make it easy to operate even if you are new to infrared thermometers. Multiple measurement modes such as minimum, maximum, average, and difference help you track temperature changes and hotspots more intelligently during troubleshooting or inspections. It comes ready to use with included accessories and thoughtful touches like automatic power management and low battery alerts that reduce hassle in day-to-day use.